Okay, today we're going to be opening something up we received from Amazon today. This is an RC car. It's an early present. Alright. It's by SGILE, SGILE, a race car. It's for ages 6+. Let's take it out and take a peek. Alright. So SGILE.
What was the other present? The other one.
This is it here. We're going to look at it and we're going to take it out and play with it. Let's see. I'm going to open it up here.
I thought maybe there's a computer. I thought maybe there's a camera picture for this thing to go and break something. Go down to go.
Maybe. Alright, this is very well packaged. Alright, on the box here itself, just says pretty much all the accessories that it has. 6-volt, 600 milliamp rechargeable battery, ×2, so it has 2 of those. It looks like a AA 1.5 volt for the remote, USB charger cable, screwdriver, user manual, and it works on a 2.4 gigahertz technology. Works indoor and outdoor. Comes with a manual. And the box itself. Alright, here it is here. This is the RC car and the remote. Looks like I'm going to have to do some cutting here, so I will be right back. Okay, here is the second part of this review. So just to let you guys know, the remote control, it did not come with AA batteries. Not a big deal. There's a little screw at the bottom here, Phillips. They do include a screwdriver for this. It's kind of small here, but 2 AA batteries in there. With the car itself, comes with 2 rechargeable batteries. In order to access the battery, you have to undo that screw, and there's little clips right here, so a lot of protection here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, which I just did. Flip the switch. Let's see it go. Let me see if I can get a hand here. Pretty cool. It's pretty fast too. Little off-roading. See if we can do a full speed test. It's going to be up the hill. So here we go. Not too bad. I think this thing's going to be really fun for myself and for my son as well. So I haven't tested out the battery life, but I'm sure it's pretty good. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the action here and what it's like, and yeah, I definitely recommend this. Let's see if we can jump it off. Nice. Yeah, you'll enjoy it. I definitely do.